What's up guys, Express here, back with another video. Now this video is another Discord redesigns my old header. So this time we have a 2B header that I put in. So this time we have a lot of designs that we go through, and I'll tell you what I like about them and don't like about them. That's really it. And also the one I like the most I'll use on my Twitter, of course. And yeah, if you want to join this challenge or this video ID, join the Discord, link in the description. We have over 2,600 members, and if you want to talk to the community or talk to me, it's a perfect way to do it. So yeah. We go up to the designs right here. So we have the first, of course, my design, a 2B design, and then we see what people do. So for the first one, we have Utopia. Really nice design. Love the colors, love the positioning and everything. He kept the same renders. I told the people to keep the same style, the name, and everything else they can change really. So yeah, that's what he did. He kept the same style, he kept the same renders, he kept the same name, and then he just put his own spin to it. So yeah, I really like what he did. If you compare it to the original, it's really similar, and that's what I like. The only thing that I wouldn't have done is like the text express on the left hand corner, or like the behance also wouldn't have done that. But everything else, I really like what he did with it. So yeah. He also has a red version that I also quite like. That was Utopia, his work, and up to the next one, Desai, with his awesome redesign, but he like popped out the colors way more, and then he kept the same positioning of the main render and the left render as well. The only thing that I wouldn't have done is like the chain on the left is in front of the face of the left render, or like left PNG. I wouldn't have done that. I would like made it visible, I don't know. And then the glitch effect is really nice as well. I just really like that he popped out my colors way more. My colors are a bit flat, and his is like more of like that more pop out color. So yeah, really nice job. Seraph, a couple of renders, but the main render is still on there, which I like. And then his main color is also yellow, and of course he changed the text, which I like, with just simple express. I like the glitch style or effect behind the text is really nice. And then the overall header has like a filter gallery on top of it, like it's been drawn. And not gonna lie, it's quite nice. I quite enjoy that. It has something. It's like an overall different style. And yeah, I really like what it's done with the header. Up to the next one, Star, with this nice design. It's really simple. He changed everything is the position as it was, but then he changed the text and the overall background he changed as well. I think he put like a high pass on top of it that I don't quite enjoy. It's like the contrast is too high, and I don't know about the color combination about blue and purple with this specific character. Otherwise, it's really nice. Up to the next one, we have Danny Creates. He went with the darker colors, with the darker kind of overall theme, and yeah, it's something different. I like the text. I like the bullet. I like the added background as well, with like the glitch text, also the gradient map of the characters. It's nice. It's a completely different vibe than that I would have done of what I did, and not gonna lie, it's something else, and that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted people to do. I really love it. And then up to the next one, we have Niru. Niru has, of course, also redesigned it. He also completely changed the text, but still kept my original Japanese text as well. Really like it. Also the colors are the same kind of colors, but more like what popped out, more vibrant, which I like. But overall really clean header, really nice redesign. Okay, up to the next one, we have Joy. Not gonna lie, this is my favorite one. The text, the Japanese text that I did, he like completely redid with the 3D kind of effects and a filter gallery effect. Not gonna lie, this is the best one. This is my personal favorite one that he did, and I'm gonna use it. It's really nice. It's really clean. There's nothing I can tell that I wouldn't do or what I wouldn't have done. It's just clean. The background is clean. Focus is in the middle, and that's nice. That's all people need to see. And then the background itself, like that filter, that old filter, it just fits the 2B kind of style. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to join this redesign challenge, it will be open again in a few weeks with some new designs that you can participate, of course. I will use this header, and if you join the next one and make even a better one, I will use that, of course, on my Twitter. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for submitting as well. Let me know who you think was the best, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.